Guys, my name is Man and today we are going to do another GTA 4 mission video. So in this video we will do another mission for Valhalla and see guys here, remove the gun. See, here's a Molotov next to this guy and he can't see it also and take it. And he doesn't know who am I. What? You will get like this. Oi, why is that if he knows that I am the biggest guy, and see guys, I have bought another bodyguard, and if he know that I am the biggest gangster of Liberty City, then he would have just taken and killed me like that. Taken the Molotov and killed me. And if you want to know that where is this Molotov, it's at Hope Beach. You can just see like this area, then come in next to the chair there, it will be there. So guys, this is my Hakuma. Yeah, you might think, why didn't I buy like an nice expensive car? Oh, no. The camera fell though. 2 minutes. After some days it has fallen in some videos. Let me turn on the brightness. Yeah, so I was saying that why didn't I buy like a nice supercar? But why didn't I buy? Because I didn't have that much money at that time and before this video, and I thought, let's buy something out of these money. I just bought this Hakuma at and a faction. I will show you, it's at the burger shop. Oh, I don't like these ambulance paramedics in GT4. They go like anyhow and they crash into my car. Many times it has happened. When some people come to just fight with me, I take my gun, I kill them. Then the ambulance comes and just crashes into my cars. And guys, I have only 17 minutes to record because there's a timer on my phone. Yeah, there's a little bit like of a timer there are. So I need to just do it very fast. And guys, I like this family type car which are like from the front it looks like little bit sporty. I like it, and I will show you the interior. It's very normal, and this is my bodyguard. He has blonde hair. Yeah, and I have installed the speedometer mode. I have told many times. Who's that person? I don't know. Wait, over here. Nothing happened to my car. And there's a little antenna also here. The faction is here. It's here. This one. And I've bought like one Porsche also. I've bought, I think so. Porsche. I know that we can, yeah, from here we can go to the place where I have parked the cars. So guys, I have changed some of my car's colors. Like this car's color, I have changed this, and I bought this some car, I don't remember its name, and Porsche also I bought. And yeah, and I have changed my BMWs. I have changed my BMW's color. Why see this? When the lights are on, this goes up and it goes down when the lights are off. You can see that. It's like magic. And this will be my Hakuma's parking area. If I don't have that much space to keep my cars, One day I will keep my cars up there. Yeah. So now let's do the mission very quickly. I've wasted 5 minutes now. So I will meet you there when I reach. And guys, I'm here. And I want to tell you something that in my after the mission bowl, a bowl in a China town mission. After that, I uploaded one video where I did the intro in the same place in which I did in this video also. The intro place where that place were in on Hope Beach. And that time when I sat in the car, I just used my cheats. Yeah, I forgot. I didn't add any attention. So now let's do the mission. I won the not so terrible mission name. Asked. Where's Ballard?
Bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron, you don't think. Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan? No.
Guys, I wanted this system in which if we go near any seat, chair like bench type area where we can sit, there should be an option. If you press E, you can sit on the couch or anywhere. In GTA 5, that option is there for Michael. I don't know if it is for Trevor and Franklin, but we have an option for Michael like that. He can sit on his couch only if you presses E. Like that option he has, but not we cannot sit anywhere where there is a seat. By pressing E, we will sit on the chair.
What? He's angered Mikhail. Step out. I bet it. You think he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then you say it was just a matter of with his eyes, I don't believe you'll get that. Then Mr. Faust will be very angry with you. And you'll cut. Okay. I know what you're saying. Once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him, Vatican Tipo. Very good.
So now let's do the mission very fast. Okay, done. See, he has kept that blister compact for us, which he just brought. Why is my bodyguard sitting back at the behind? I think he is going to. I know this mission. We have to just chase Ivan. He is making a run. See, which car he has? Oh no, he has a nice car. We can't catch him in this Hakuma. I should have brought my IBM. Which car is this? Where is he? I thought he is in that Marbella. I can just use this. I used speed up that mods speed up. You might think, what is this? What happened? But that was my mod. Where is he? Okay. Let me just speed up. Oh, no. Oh no. No. Okay. Go. Don't. Okay. I just want to. Where is he? He has taken a ride from here. I have done this mission 2 times, but I just forgot where is the area. Yeah, friend. He has crashed here, I know. Somewhere. Where is this car? Yeah, there it is. The car is badly crashed. You don't come behind me, my bodyguard. I know. He can't climb ladders? I don't know. Yeah, he can't. Also, where is he?
You tried to rob my cousin? That's a fraud. They set me up.
Go up.
Vlad don't like you no more, man. He's nothing in this town. Don't do this for him.
I know this part. This is a risky part. I have only 7 minutes to record. Oh, yeah. I know. Jump. Means not, don't jump. Climb the ladder. This part is a little bit risky because if you don't press the space button at the right time, you might just like fall down. Oh, I thought I'm going to die.
For you to rob.
Oh no, don't die. Oh no, I died. What is this sound? Guys, I will come do the mission again and come back. Guys, I'm here and see this. My car is not like harmed. I don't know how. It was just, it was like a glitch. It was stuck in that thing. This divider type something, I don't know. It was stuck and it was not like, it was not harmed.
Tried to rob my cousin? That's a fraud. They set me up.
Why did I just, why was I running? It was the biggest,
Yes, one, aren't you? I
um,
don't like you no more, man.
it was the biggest mistake which I've ever done. Oh no! Again, I would have now fallen down. How did my bodyguard just come again? I thought he couldn't
Starting to sweat.
like climb ladders, no? Wait, let me see. Come fast. I think he can climb ladders. Yeah, he can. But he can't do this, I think so. Oh, yes. If I didn't have jumped, then also nothing had happened. Come. He's so lucky that nothing happened to him, but now he could die. Why did I bring my bodyguard?
You've run out of roof, dickhead.
Did my bodyguard die? I don't know, but let's see. An enemy's icon flash between blue or red. You have the choice between killing E.
Get up.
I want to save him. I don't like killing people that much. I won the not so terrible.
Dead, it can't be all bad. Stay out of Hove Beach. Thank you. You won't regret this, man. I'm out of here. Wanted to live anywhere, get away from all these people from back home. Get into the real America. You're never gonna see me around here again. I owe you my life, man. You're good, man. You're good, man. Thank you.
But how will I? Here are stairs. Here are some stairs. Slowly. Don't fall. Let him take the call.
You
Then
won't miss.
cut. Slowly, please. Please. You. Oh, no. No, these stairs are broken. Slowly, please, Nico. So, what to do? Climb, climb, climb. So, let's just die. Who's So I will end this video here. If there would not be a timer of this much time only you can do a mission, means we make a video, then I would have made the video very longer. But I found a way to go down, but not that much. Yeah, here is some ladders. Before, when I would play this, I would just jump off and die. Yeah, or spawn a car with cheats and just like spawn a car and drive the car off the edge. So guys, if you have liked this video, like, share, subscribe and put the notification bell.
My mother does not live in Cain.
Bye bye.